What if I told you that restoring your memory, your focus, and your mental clarity doesn't require expensive medication, complicated treatments, or years of waiting? What if the real solution is something simple, natural, and already familiar, but almost everyone uses it the wrong way? I'm Dr. Adriana, and today I want to share something that has surprised even my own patients. Not a miracle, not a shortcut, but a powerful science backed ingredient that has helped many older adults regain clarity, stabilize memory, and feel mentally sharp again. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this ingredient is, you'll know exactly how to use it, when to use it, and how to combine it with other natural elements to dramatically amplify its effect. This is not about false hope. This is about giving your brain what it has been missing. A major study revealed that more than 40% of adults over the age of 65 show signs of mild cognitive decline, and most don't even realize it. Memory loss doesn't begin with forgetting everything. It begins quietly, misplacing objects, losing words, feeling mentally slower than before. And the most painful part is this: many people believe it's irreversible, but that belief is wrong. Your brain is not broken. In many cases, it is undernourished. The brain requires very specific nutrients to maintain memory, concentration, and emotional balance. When those nutrients are missing, even slightly, cognitive function begins to fade. Today, I'm going to walk you through 7 natural ingredients, starting with the gentlest and building toward the most powerful. Each one plays a unique role in waking up dormant brain cells and restoring communication between neurons. Let's begin. Ingredient number 7, an oat and chia seed drink. Many people overlook this combination because it seems too simple. That's the mistake. Oats are not just a breakfast food. They are rich in beta-glucans and vitamin B1, thiamine, a key nutrient that allows the brain to convert glucose into steady energy. When neurons receive a stable energy supply, mental fog clears and focus improves. Chia seeds elevate this effect. They are packed with alpha-linolenic acid, a form of omega-3 that protects neuron membranes and reduces silent brain inflammation, one of the hidden drivers of memory loss. Research has shown that regular chia consumption improves processing speed and working memory in older adults. Combined with oats, it also helps stabilize blood sugar, preventing the mental crashes that sabotage concentration. Here's the correct way to prepare it. Blend 2 tablespoons of oats with 1 tsp of chia seeds and 1 cup of water or unsweetened plant milk. You may add half a banana or a small apple for flavor. Let it rest for 5 minutes before drinking. This allows the chia to activate its gel, unlocking its full benefits. Use this as breakfast several times per week. It gently nourishes the brain during the day. But nourishment alone is not enough. The brain also needs repair. Ingredient number 6, plain gelatin with turmeric and raw honey. Many people associate collagen only with skin or joints. That's a serious misunderstanding. Collagen is a structural protein critical for brain-blood vessels and the blood-brain barrier, the protective wall that shields your brain from toxins. As we age, collagen declines and that barrier weakens. Plain high-quality gelatin provides the amino acids needed to repair microscopic damage in brain tissue. When combined with turmeric rich in curcumin and raw honey, the effect becomes anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective. Curcumin stimulates neurogenesis, the creation of new brain cells, while honey supports synaptic plasticity, the process behind learning and memory. Preparation matters. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of plain gelatin in warm water. Add a pinch of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Drink this mixture in the evening several times per week. Why evening? Because during sleep, the brain activates its deep repair and cleaning systems. This combination supports that process. If you wake up with mental heaviness or confusion, this step alone can be transformative. Next, we move into a nutrient many seniors are unknowingly deficient in. Ingredient number 5, eggs with sautéed spinach and olive oil. Memory relies on a neurotransmitter called acetylcholine. To produce it, the brain needs choline, and eggs are one of the richest sources available. Without enough choline, neural signals slow down, focus weakens, Memory slips. One egg per day can make a meaningful difference. Spinach adds iron, magnesium, and folate, essential for neurotransmitter synthesis, while olive oil ensures these nutrients are fully absorbed and protects neuron membranes. Prepare 2 boiled eggs. Lightly saute a cup of fresh spinach in olive oil. Enjoy this combination several times per week as breakfast or dinner. It's not just food, it's chemical balance restored. And now we move to an ingredient that prepares the brain to receive everything else. Ingredient number 4, warm water with ginger and lemon in the morning. This simple drink activates cerebral circulation. Ginger improves blood flow and reduces oxidative stress. Lemon provides vitamin C and flavonoids that protect artery elasticity. When circulation improves, oxygen and nutrients reach brain cells efficiently and waste products are cleared more effectively. Grate 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger into warm water. Add the juice of half a lemon. Drink it slowly on an empty stomach several mornings per week. This step clears the path. It prepares the brain environment. And once that environment is ready, the next ingredient takes things even further by reactivating energy production at the cellular level. Now we move into the ingredients that don't just prepare the brain, they actively reactivate memory and mental energy at a deeper level. This is where many people are genuinely surprised. Ingredient number 3, pure cocoa with cinnamon. When most people hear cocoa, they think of sugary chocolate bars. That's not what I'm talking about. Pure, unsweetened cocoa has been revered for centuries, and modern science now confirms why. Cocoa is loaded with flavonoids, theobromine, and magnesium. Together, these compounds dramatically increase blood flow to the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory formation. Flavonoids act like biological pumps, delivering oxygen and nutrients directly to brain cells. Theobromine provides gentle mental stimulation without the anxiety associated with caffeine. Magnesium supports synaptic communication, allowing neurons to transmit signals efficiently. Now, here's where the magic happens. When cocoa is combined with cinnamon, the brain receives protection against blood sugar spikes, one of the fastest ways to age neurons. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity and reduces oxidative stress inside the brain. Studies have shown that regular consumption of flavonoid-rich cocoa improves contextual memory and reaction time in older adults. Here's how to use it correctly. Mix 1 teaspoon of pure cocoa powder into a cup of hot water or unsweetened plant milk. Add a pinch of cinnamon and, if desired, a drop of natural vanilla. Drink it once daily, preferably when your mental energy dips. Many people notice clearer thinking within days, not because of stimulation, but because neurons are finally receiving adequate blood flow. Now let's talk about structure, not stimulation. Ingredient number 2, homemade bone broth with garlic and onion. Your brain cannot function without physical integrity. Blood vessels, protective barriers, and supporting cells all rely on structural proteins. Bone broth is not just soup, it is biological raw material. It provides collagen, glycine, proline, and essential minerals that repair the blood-brain barrier and support the cells that protect neurons. Glycine in particular is critical. It supports deep sleep, memory consolidation, and emotional stability. During sleep, glycine helps the brain clean metabolic waste and reinforce learning. Adding garlic and onion takes this to another level. Their sulfur compounds support detoxification, reduce inflammation, and improve microcirculation, allowing oxygen to penetrate deeper into brain tissue. Prepare bone broth by simmering chicken, beef, or fish bones for at least 2 hours with a splash of apple cider vinegar. Add garlic, onion, and a pinch of sea salt. Drink 1 warm cup daily. This is ancient medicine, and it works because the body recognizes it immediately as repair material. Now we arrive at the most important part, the ingredient that ties everything together, the one that truly earns the phrase 1 glass a day. Ingredient number 1, warm water with plain gelatin, lemon, and turmeric taken on an empty stomach. If you feel that mental fog has become heavier, if names escape you more often, if your sharpness feels distant, this is the ritual I want you to pay the closest attention to. This is not a supplement. This is a biological signal. Plain gelatin or hydrated collagen provides glycine and proline. the building blocks for repairing myelin. Myelin is the protective coating around nerve fibers. When it wears down with age, mental processing slows and memory weakens. Gelatin helps rebuild that insulation. Lemon plays a dual role. It enhances collagen absorption and activates liver detoxification, reducing the toxic load that interferes with cognition. Turmeric is the final key. Curcumin, its active compound, stimulates BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of BDNF as fertilizer for the brain. It encourages new neuron growth, strengthens existing connections, and protects memory. Multiple studies have shown that curcumin improves working memory and attention in older adults. Here's the exact method. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of plain gelatin in half a glass of warm water. Add the juice of half a lemon and a pinch of turmeric. Stir well and drink it slowly on an empty stomach. Use this ritual 4 to 5 times per week. Many people report lighter thinking within a week, improved recall, better mood, more vivid dreams, a sign that neural networks are reactivating. You are not just drinking a mixture. You are telling your brain it is safe to repair itself. Now imagine combining everything we've discussed into a simple daily rhythm. Morning, warm water with gelatin, lemon, and turmeric. Later, oats and chia or eggs with greens. Midday or afternoon, cocoa with cinnamon. Evening, bone broth or gelatin repair drink. No pills, no expensive protocols, no extreme measures, just consistency. If you're taking blood thinners or managing medical conditions, consult your healthcare professional before starting. But for many older adults, this routine has been life-changing. And I want to be very clear about something. This is not about chasing youth. This is about preserving identity. Your memories are not disposable. Your clarity matters. Your ability to recognize loved ones, recall stories, and feel mentally present is worth protecting. True healing is not instant, it is cumulative. Every day you nourish your brain properly, you are voting for a clearer tomorrow. If this information helped you, do 3 simple things. First, like this video, it helps others find it. Second, comment below. Which ingredient will you start with? And third, share this with someone you love. Sometimes 1 glass a day is enough to change a life. I'm Dr. Adriana. Thank you for choosing your brain.